Want to use a proxy on Janitor AI but not sure where to turn it on? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to activate and use a proxy on your Janitor AI chatbot the right way. Once it's set up properly, your bot will be ready to run using your configured proxy without any issues. First, head over to the official Janitor AI website and log into your account. From your dashboard, open the chatbot you want to use. Before anything else, scroll all the way down to the bottom of that bot's page and make sure proxy usage is allowed for that specific chatbot. If proxy is enabled, go back up and click Continue to enter the chat. This step is important. If proxy isn't allowed on the bot, it won't work no matter what settings you change. Once inside the chat, look at the top right corner and click the three-line menu, then select API Settings. From there, choose Proxy, and you'll see all the proxy configurations you've added. To activate a proxy, simply click the one you want to use, hit Save Settings, and refresh the page. That's it! Your proxy is now active and running on Janitor AI. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.